You've probably heard it 100 times. Eat more fruit. It's good for you. And for the most part, that's true. But here's something most people don't realize, especially as we get older. Not all fruit is friendly to your kidneys. In fact, some of the ones we think are healthiest can quietly wear our kidneys down over time. Hi, I'm really glad you're here. If you're over 60 and trying to stay on top of your health, this message might be more important than you think. Because your kidneys, they're quiet workers. They don't complain when they're stressed. They don't send you big warning signs when things start going wrong. They just keep doing their job until they can't keep up anymore. And by then, damage may already be done. Now, I'm not here to scare you, but I am here to give you information that could help protect your kidneys for years to come. And it all starts with knowing which fruits are helpful and which ones might be too much for aging kidneys. Let's talk about bananas. They seem harmless, right? Easy to eat, full of potassium. But that potassium, it's a problem if your kidneys aren't filtering like they used to. Too much can build up in the blood, and your body can't handle that the way it used to in your 30s or 40s. Same goes for oranges and orange juice. Most people think, oh, vitamin C, this is healthy. And it is, until it's not. Oranges are also high in potassium, and orange juice is even more concentrated. If your kidneys are slowing down, drinking a glass of OJ every morning might not be the best habit anymore. Then there's avocados. I know, everyone says they're heart healthy, and they are. But for your kidneys, they're loaded with potassium. One avocado has more potassium than a banana. So if you're spreading it on toast or adding it to your salad every day, it might be time to slow down. Let's not forget about dried fruits, like raisins, apricots, and prunes. They may look small, but they're packed with sugar, potassium, and preservatives. Your kidneys have to work harder to process all of that. And for older adults, those little dried snacks can actually do more harm than good. Now look, I'm not telling you to give up fruit completely. Not at all. Fruits have vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, things your body needs. But the key is knowing which fruits are kinder to your kidneys. Fruits like apples, crisp, juicy, low in potassium, and great for digestion. Blueberries, small but powerful, packed with antioxidants, good for your brain, and gentle on your kidneys. Red grapes, they taste great, and they contain resveratrol, which supports heart and kidney health. Pineapple is another smart choice, low in potassium, sweet and refreshing, with enzymes that help digestion. Even watermelon in small portions can be hydrating and kidney safe. It's all about balance. You don't have to give up everything. You just have to know what your body needs and what it doesn't. And here's the thing most people forget. Your kidneys have been working hard your whole life, filtering blood, removing waste, keeping things running. They've taken care of you. Now it's your turn to take care of them. So before you reach for that banana or pour that glass of orange juice, ask yourself, is this helping, or is this just a habit I never questioned? And if you're already living with high blood pressure, diabetes, or early kidney issues, these changes become even more important. Now, if all of this sounds new to you, you're not alone. Most doctors don't talk much about food unless there's already a problem. But I believe prevention matters. And sometimes it just takes a simple conversation like this to get people thinking in a new direction. If this video helped you, even just a little, I hope you'll do two things. First, hit that subscribe button. I make videos like this every week, just for folks like you who want to take better care of their health, without all the confusing medical talk. Second, share this video with someone you care about, a friend, a sibling, your spouse, whoever it is, because this might be the one message they need to hear before something goes wrong. You've done a lot for others in your life. Now let's do something for you. Take care of your kidneys. They've taken care of you for a long time.